morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And we're looking at a bag of air vents for your plenums and your airplanes, both the 1A, 1B, 1C, the Traveler, the Cheetah, and the Tiger. Now, when Ken used to produce these, they came in a Ziploc bag. Let's open them up and see what's in the bag. Well, the first thing you get is a set of instructions telling you basically what you have and how to go about installing them. We actually have a video showing Ken installing them and fighting the tools. You get two of the air vents. Now the louvers, as you can see here, they swing back and forth and they swing up and down so you can direct the airflow, and they snap into your airbox plenums. Again, like we said, you get two air vents, so there's no mystery, one for the left side, one for the right side. And you also get a bag of hardware. Now, in the hardware are some rivets and some screws. And here's how they all go together. You know, it's one thing to talk about putting these in and positioning them on the sides of the hole and then drilling the holes and matching them up. But what we thought we would do is we would take, we have a mock-up. So here's the front of a plenum, and as you can see, the air box is in it. The air vent is in the air box. But if we turn around to the back side, we see where the metal pieces go. They get pop riveted into place, and what they do is they catch the little plastic tabs right here on the side of the vent, so they snap in. And if for whatever reason yours don't snap in, you can always add the screws to the four corners, and they go into the metal as well. And as you can see from the back side, that this air vent is rigorously held into place and won't go anywhere. And now you can have a nice secure air vent to direct air wherever you need it. And this is just the front piece of one of your boxes. So we hope you found this informative. It takes a little bit of the mystery out about how you install your air vents. We hope you found this informative and useful. I'd like to thank you for watching Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, and have a good day flying your Grumman.